Want to see how the new audio and video works on the GoPro Hero 9. I have the purple Panda mic, external mic. I got the GoPro Media Mod for the Hero 9 and also obviously the Hero 9. I got it because I've been looking up on YouTube what's the best motovlogging setup, and it seems to be kind of, there's different types of ways of setting up the motovlog setups, but I think I found the simplest and easiest way to do it. But this is the first time trying it out. I got a 2018 DRZ 400 Supermoto. I'm trying to see if this mic is going to do good with the wind, the exhaust, and also my voice within the helmet. So we're going to try it out and see how it does. I might put on, it comes with the purple Panda comes with the little furry thing that goes over the mic for wind dampening. But I'm going to try this first, so let's try it out. Well, actually, let's see if how it sounds with just idling. It's kind of cold out today. It's Memorial Day weekend. Alright, so that's idle. I had another mic. I had the Sony, I can't remember the model name. I'll put it in the description. It did pretty good, just like this, talking, everything else. But when I went down the road at around like 20 or so miles an hour and up, the wind just killed the mic and you couldn't hear nothing. So I'm curious to see how well this does. Yeah. This should work, this setup should work, but we'll find out. Alright. Let's go. Also, I got my my visor up right now just to see how it does. Like I said, I got that little furry thing for the mic, but I really don't feel like putting that on. So I think this will do good, but we'll see. Yeah, see, when I had the other Sony mic, right about now you could probably hear half my voice. So I'm curious to see if this mic is doing good. Like I said, I got the other Sony mic. It's good for like indoor stuff, and if you're just interviewing somebody, or if there's no wind at all, anything with that, it was perfect. It was like 20 bucks at Best Buy. I'll put that in the description. I might post it on the screen above what it looks like. But that one's good if you're doing interviews, or if you're doing like a self-vlogging thing, if you're just showing a product or whatever else. But yeah, I was looking up on YouTube because I wanted the simplest setup. I was watching videos and people said, yeah, you need this mic adapter, like this big square mic adapter, and this other BS. And I'm like, man, I shouldn't have to have this. So I looked up videos and people were saying the Media Mod is what you need, but they were like half good reviews and half bad. So this is the second time I've used the Media Mod. And with the other mic, like I said, it was doing great until the wind got to it. So I don't know why this is getting bad reviews. I haven't had nothing bad with it yet, but even though this is the second time I've used it. But as far as simplicity, this is the way to go. If you got a Hero 9, you get the Media Mod plus the purple Panda mic, which is what I'm using right now. This is the first time using it. But this is just a mic test, just to see how it does, see if I approve it or not. That house burnt down. I don't know if you can see it. They just sold that house, and like a couple days later it burned down. That's crazy. But yeah, we're just seeing how this does. Hey, we got another bike right here. Hey, what's up? Yes, sir. Nice. I didn't think there was going to be much bike action out today. But yeah, the Media Mod. Well, of course, I got the GoPro Hero 9. At the time, we got it for $399, $400 basically. So I got that plus the media mod, which is, at the time I bought it, which was $79, so $80. And plus I got the purple Panda that I bought on Amazon, which was the package. It comes with a kit. It was $30. Oh, and also I'll probably put on the screen what you need. You need this adapter that you got to buy separately. It's like $8 on Amazon. I should put it up on the screen. You need the one side that's the male. You need it like at a 90-degree angle, because to plug into the back of the media mod, you don't want the straight 3.5. You want the one that's 90 degrees, so it fits in there better, so it's not sticking out so far. And that end goes to a female side, and that's the side you plug the purple Panda mic up to. And then you just route that mic in your helmet. I just put it up under the pad. And then also I like how the purple Panda mic has a little clip on it. It's a strong clip, so you know, it's very strong. I just hooked it onto my Sena mic. I got a Sena 20S that I use for communication and music, but I just clipped that onto the mic, and that's what I'm talking to. It's probably about an inch or so from my mouth right now, probably about an inch. So like I said, I got this up under the chin skirt. So I'm curious to see if the wind is getting to it or not. Is the wind overwhelming compared to, you know, my voice? If not, I won't upload this video. But if it is, then it did good. If it did, you know, if it's not overwhelming and I upload it, then I approve of it. Also, the media mod itself is great for recording anything. You know, if you're recording, you're at a show or you're doing an interview with something, the media mod internal mic is very good. You really don't need an external mic for anything, but the one I told you I got at Best Buy, the Sony one, it was worth $20. You could tell a definite improvement over the media mod. But the media mod itself, I don't think you need an external mic. And you know, if I was doing an interview somewhere, or if I'm going to a car show and trying to talk to somebody, I'm just going to use the internal mic on the Media Pro. Might as well go back here. This is where I went to elementary school and middle school. Haven't been back here in years. I used to come back here and do wheelies. But yeah, I ain't been back here in a while. It's crazy how when you're young you remember. I remember my mom dropping me off at carpool, going over there and also over there. It was crazy going from 5th grade over there to 6th grade over here. I remember the biggest thing was like, we're going to here and there's no recess over here. It's like, what? No recess? God, that pissed me off. Might as well pop a wheelie. Might as well pop a wheelie, why not? It's not gonna hurt nobody except myself if I do it wrong, which I have done before. I was looking to see if I should get the Hero 9 or not. Some people, it was a lot of bad reviews on them saying, you know, the video would freeze up and a lot of other BS. I don't know. I've had no problems with it, knock on wood. But I really wanted to get back into vlogging, and I wanted the most simplest setup, nothing too crazy. Because I used to have a Hero 4 and I had the Bluetooth. Probably a lot of y'all know I had the Bluetooth little square thing that fit in the back. So it would link up with your Sena. And I mean, it was simple, man. That was simple stuff. I think that pack was like $100, but still, it was worth it. It was all wireless. Unfortunately, this is wired, but I mean, it's no problem. It's not getting in the way of anything. But I was thinking about getting an external recorder because I had trouble finding what was the most simplest setup. I was thinking about getting an external recorder and then adding a mic, but then when you got to edit, you know, you got to add your second audio file, and you know, you got to match them up and do all that BS. I didn't feel like doing all that, so I came across this couple videos where they said this media mod was the most simplest, and it is. I can honestly say that. So you get the Hero 9, you get the media mod, you get the purple Panda mic kit, and you get the little $8 male to female aux adapter. I'll put everything in the description, and I'll probably put them up on the screen. This is what you want if you're trying to go motovlog. A lot of things I want to do on this channel. I used to motovlog probably 4 or 5 plus years ago, but I don't know, the videos were kind of, I don't know, some of the videos were great, that in my opinion, a lot of them were cringy, so I'm trying to kind of start from scratch, started out fresh. I deleted all my videos that I had. Some of them I kind of wish I would have kept, because it was, to me, it was good content, I guess. It was funny. I was growing subscribers at the time. But on this channel right now, I'm going to do motovlogs, and I'm also going to do some other stuff that I'm not going to say right now, because there's a few other things that I have to get in order to prepare to do this stuff. A lot of it's going to be motovlogs, a lot of it's going to be going out to car shows, stuff like that. Just, you know, meeting up with friends riding, and stuff like that, and different type of events. Going to the drag strip, going out fishing, just doing different activities. It's just not motorcycles. So I guess you could say it's like vlogging, apparently, but I don't really want to look at it like that, because a lot of people will vlog their whole day, their whole life. I'm not like that. If I'm doing an activity, if I'm going somewhere like a stunt show or a drag strip or whatever, I'll vlog it. But I'm not, hey, I get up in the morning and brush my teeth and put on clothes. No, I'm not doing all that. It's just not who I am. How that did the mic. This thing can go to, like, I've had it up to 93 before. It probably could go 95. But yeah, I can't wait to start motovlogging more. It gives me kind of a goal to do, because I love shooting videos, I love shooting pictures, I love editing. I'm not the best editor, but I just love doing and messing around with the computer, with the software. So that's my plan. Don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out. Woo! You gotta watch out for people like this. So yeah, I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Like I said, GoPro Hero 9, media mod for the Hero 9, purple Panda mic kit, and also the male to female 3.5 aux adapter. You got to get those. That's what you got to get. And right now I'm set up on a chin mount on my helmet, and that was like 10 to 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll post everything. That's what you need. That's the most simplest way, in my opinion. They have wireless mics and stuff, but yeah, it's more money and it's just more problems. Yeah, this is wired, but I don't think it's gonna give me no problem. So appreciate it. Hope y'all liked the video. Peace.